Good morning, guys. I thought I would do a day in the life of a stay-at-home wife. I have the day off today, which I typically don't, but I do, and I'm really excited because I've been working a lot and I need some time to myself, because that was the whole point of me leaving my full-time job, is so that I could take care of myself. Clearly, I am sick. This actually sounds better. I will put in a clip of when I sounded really bad. I'll put that clip in. Snow showers.
Giant snowflakes falling from the sky right now.
Huge snowflakes. And it's freezing. Winter is here, friends. Winter is here. Tiny, what do you think?
She's like, no.
What do you think? What do you think, Dante?
He said, yeah, snow. Dirty dog.
You love snow? So anyway, I have to take my dogs out. I've actually been up since like 6:30. I woke up and I went and got Alex and I Starbucks with the Starbucks gift card he gave to me for my birthday. And I've been talking about doing that a lot in the mornings. Like, I'm like, oh, I'm gonna wake up and go get a Starbucks, and it never happens. So this morning I forced myself to get up at 6:30. My alarm went off. I shot out of bed, went to the bathroom, took Bella with me, otherwise she would have peed on the carpet. Took Bella with me, and we went and got Starbucks, and she got a little pup cup, and she was so excited. And then of course Dante finished off the pup cup once he came home. I'm in my guest bedroom. Do you want to see it? Oh, this is why you never see this room. Oh, okay, let's go. Let's get out of here. It's another beautiful day in paradise, huh? What do you think? So sometimes I like to throw my drip pans in the dishwasher. So. So I figured I'll kind of chat with you guys here a little bit while I put these dishes away. So for the rest of the day, it's like, it's 3. I wish I charged my camera last night so that I didn't have to wait for it to charge. But I filmed 2 makeup videos already, which who knows what those are, I don't know about them. I don't even know about this video, how it's gonna turn out. So I plan on dusting my house at least and vacuuming, because it hasn't been vacuumed yet. So it's just gonna be like a little bit of cleaning, and then I have to go run my errands, and I'm hoping I can take you guys along with me. I'm not like 100% comfortable vlogging in public, but I'll try it. If not, I'll talk to you guys in the car about what I got. But I just have to go to the store to go pick up coffee creamer and butter. So nothing crazy. And then I do need some new foundation. So I'm trying to decide on whether I want to go to Ulta to go pick it up or what. I'm not quite sure yet. I don't know if I want to go to Ulta, because it might take me forever in there. But I get points. So I don't know, but I'm just gonna put these dishes away. I'm gonna dust my house with my Norwex dusting mitt, and then we'll go run our errands. And another speed cleaning brought to you by Caitlin. Look at those carpet lines. Those are beautiful. Looks better. Looks a little bit better. So now I'm gonna get ready to go run to the store. I think what I'm gonna do is go to Ulta and then go to King Soopers because it's like on the way. Or maybe I'll get it. No, let's go to Ulta first. I have to really honestly make this quick because I'm gonna try so hard to be home before Alex, which we'll see. Also guys, look at this outfit. Super cute and comfy looking, huh? Huh? Hello, Bella. I cannot link anything because everything I get is from Ross, TJ Maxx, or Marshalls. So like this shirt is probably from Ross. This jacket is from TJ Maxx. These pants I know are from Ross, and these shoes are from TJ Maxx or Marshall. No, TJ Maxx. But you know, those stores never have any of those. But look what I could link below. This Vantel pearl necklace. This is the 3 of hearts. You get 3 oyster openings, which is pretty cool. So I can link that down below with Jessica's information. And you can take a look at all that, and it's pretty fun. She will open it live on Facebook, and you don't know what kind of pearls you're gonna get, but it's really fun. This is not good lighting. Maybe in better lighting I will show you this necklace. Anyway, let's go. Okay guys, this is like the 10th take I've taken this. So I made record time in Ulta, about 30 minutes, 20 minutes, not long at all. I did not stay long at all. There was a ton of people there. Traffic was crazy. This lady almost got hit in the crosswalk. People don't know that incoming traffic into the Briargate area does not stop, and it's just like, there's like people are crazy today. I don't know what is going on. There was like, I wanted to park somewhere, and there was this lady that was like aggressively waving me on, and I was like, lady, I want to park there. So you need to move. So anyway, headed home. Coming up on a red light. You want to see my Vantel pearls and more beautiful light. Oh, is it beautiful there? It looks pretty good there. Well, anyway, headed home. Couldn't film in public because I'm too self-conscious. I'm even feeling self-conscious in the car right now, filming. Like, I'm even feeling a little funky about it. I felt like these little boys were staring at me when I was filming, and I was like, okay. So I have all these car clips I'm not gonna use because I got too nervous and I couldn't finish filming. So, but anyway, I'm on my way home, and I think I'm gonna be Alex home, just barely. So, hey, have fun getting pulled over. There's always cops at the bottom of this hill, just so you know. FYI, for your information, Ford. I never speed down this certain hill anymore because motorcycle cops sit here and they always get people. So I've always been aware. I've gotten pulled over a few times and I've been letting go every time. I don't know how or why, but, well, one time I think, story time, one time I got pulled over for speeding, and it was like really late at night, and he should have given me a ticket. Like, I was well prepared for a ticket because I was going pretty quick. I was like, oh, whoops. Anyway, I was nannying for this little girl, and I had her car seat in the back of my seat, and he was like looking back there with his little flashlight, you know, and he was like, where are you headed to? And I was like, home. So I think he thought I was going home to a baby. So I think her car seat got me out of my ticket, speeding. So pretty hilarious. Yeah, that's mine. Oh, and I also got pulled over a while back for not using my blinker. Nobody uses their blinker in Colorado, like, ever. Like, right now, I'm not gonna use it. Right there. Nobody uses their blinker, but he was pulling people over for drunk drivers, so he was definitely not gonna make any money off of me not using my blinker. I remember he was like, have you been drinking anything tonight? And I looked down at the chocolate milk I just took a swig of, and I was like, chocolate milk? And it was a state trooper, so that one, for not using my blinker, I was like, yep. When he told me, he was like, hi, I'm so-and-so with state trooper, I was like, damn it, I'm definitely getting a ticket. And he let me go. And so did the other cop. Those cops are notorious for giving tickets. So when I was speeding, I was like, yep, definitely getting a ticket. No, he let me go. So I don't know, third time, I probably won't be let go. They'll be like, seriously? So anyway, that's my pullover story. Maybe I'll be let go again, cause look, hashtag nanny mobile. I got another kid car seat back there, so maybe if I get pulled over for speeding, they'll let me go because I think I'm going home to a kid. No, I'm pretty sure next time I get pulled over, I'll get a ticket. Okay. Impromptu haul, possibly, maybe. Let's do it. We'll start with King Soopers, because I bet you guys thought I was going to start with Ulta. Nope. Throwing you for a loop. Everything I got was on sale. 2 coffee creamers, 1 pumpkin spice, 1 Italian sweet cream, and Land O'Lakes butter. Woo! Okay. So for Ulta foundation stick, I decided to give L'Oreal Infallible Longwear Shaping Stick a try. I do love the Ulta moisturizing stick, but I wanted to try this one because I heard that it was compared to the Hourglass vanishing stick. I cannot afford that, so here's the dupe. And they even had testers, so I kind of matched myself, so hopefully I got a good match there. Beige, shell beige, 404 shell beige is what I got. Then I really wanted to try this, and of course it was buy one get one 50% off, so it's like great. Now I feel like I have to buy more. You really shouldn't feel like that, but I do. So I wanted to try this Maybelline Lash Sensational Boosting Serum. So I'm gonna give that a shot. I will let you guys know. And to get whatever off, I got this lipstick. This is the Color Shine lipstick. This is the color Chocolate. Should we try it on? This isn't good lighting. I can't really see myself. Yeah, no. I think I need better lighting. Ooh, this tastes terrible. All right, and then Ulta was buy 2 get 1 free. All right, so Ulta was buy 2 get 1 free. So I ran out of the peach concealer, so I got pink instead. I just wanted to try it. It's a little bit lighter, so it's not as dark as the peach, and it may be just a tiny bit more brightening than the peach on me, but I wanted to try it. Then I wanted to try an Ulta brow product, so this is the Ulta Tint Brow Product in medium. Of course, they had little testers there, so I looked at the color, and this one looks like a good match for me. And then I got the Ulta Brush Cleansing Soap Solid, and I looked at the ingredients, and it doesn't seem to have fragrance in it. It has argan oil, which I don't know. Sometimes that can smell sweet. Let's sniff. Yeah, I don't smell anything. So I'm going to give this a shot, and it may be better than that Japanesque one, because that one's fragrance is terrible. So anyway, I have got to hide this Ulta bag before Alex comes home. Which could be any minute. Any minute now. So I'm going to end the vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this really random day in my life vlog of just hanging out, cleaning, and going and running errands. So hopefully you enjoy. Be sure to subscribe. If you have a Google account, so let's say you have like an Android phone or whatever, you have a Google account, you can log in to YouTube with your Google account and subscribe to my channel. So you don't even have to make a YouTube channel account. And you don't even have to make YouTube videos to have an account. So yeah, you have a Google account, subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up, and leave a comment down below. And if you don't have a Google account, well, What are you doing with your life? Alright guys, hope you enjoyed. Live life in full bloom, and I will see you guys later. Bye!